Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us.
Hey guys, we are at Town Center. Yeah, they using the restroom. I really never had to use the answer the phone. Please answer the phone. But I really never got to use the restroom. I'm just in here chilling. My sister took my pics this morning and they look good. We ain't went to the hotel yet, but we're gonna go in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all these little pics she took. And she really, I mean, I don't really know how to pose. So they kind of look a little fool. But period, don't play with my sister. Oh yes, period. But yeah, she took some for me. She gonna take some more. But yeah, we're about to do a little shopping and then go to the hotel. And then I'm gonna give y'all a little hotel tour. Yeah, my hair is so frizzy and I kind of hate it. It was in braids and I just took the braids out. But it's frizzy now. We was in here last time and I was like, oh, I love these. And I'm gonna get some threes. They come out in May. They look just like them.
Hi, y'all, looking for Thailand today. My name is Sheila Ramayan. Yeah. Hi guys.
We should hold my phone real quick. You need, bruh.
This way.
What? The necklace? You want a cage?
I want a cage. This one.
The cage is, I got it. It was somewhere over here. I didn't even look at what bracelet I want. I have a gold. This is the one I got. I want another one. I think you got smoky quartz. I kind of want the evil eye. I don't know. Mama, give me one for. I need one for attitude.
Yeah.
I think. I want opalite. I think I want opalite.
Yeah.
Sure. My hair is so frizzy, y'all. We're in the hotel. I'm always smiling. Yeah, we're going to take the stuff up. Look at my little. It's huge. Okay. I was gonna bring my own, but I was like, you got all these chips for us, so what's the point? Let me show you. I'll show you in a minute. Here's what's on this too much. This TV is huge.
This TV is huge.
This TV.
Oh, I said, what?
Oh, this one. Was I supposed to do that? Oh, these are big bags. I did not know that. Let me show y'all a little hotel tour. Hey. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take my pictures right here. Alright y'all, this hotel got a kitchen. And they wash the dishes. That's cool. Period. Don't play. And it has.
We're probably gonna do that, Shayla.
What?
The babies don't sleep in here. You can sleep out here. Because this bed is bigger for 2 people. If you sleep in it, it's only gonna be you.
Alright then. Yeah. This is the little living room. He wants to be seen so bad.
This is got all the dishes.
This day room.
I want to trade mine for funny and
Yes. Yes. So, oh, they got an ironing board, a little bathroom, a little shower. This day room. They put me on the little couch or whatever. Yeah, we're gonna go to Juicy Crab later. Y'all, I'm in this bathroom trying to get cute again. My hair ain't that bad. I think I like it a little bit. See, now I just wanna. I need like something pink to put in the middle because my lip ain't pink no more. Right there. It's gonna be baby pink soon, but I hate how we do that. Oh yeah, I got a new bracelet. I got opalite. Them chips getting me. I got opalite. My little sister got an evil eye. I don't know what my mama got. Just give me a second, it's gonna look cute. Like y'all see, I got like right here, it's no liner on it. It actually doesn't look bad on camera. When I release this pure job, Chinese kid don't want to be my girl. She like them folks. I think this is better than before. Like I said, we're gonna go to Juicy Crab tonight. We're gonna do some more shopping, I guess. Tomorrow really gonna be there. My thing for tomorrow is 5. So yeah. But yeah, we had just came from the mall. I didn't film much there because like it wasn't much there. When I release this pure chop, that be pure dope. I think this looks better. My hair is frizzy on top though, it's okay. It's okay.
Gotta make me love better. Do it when you love better.
I cannot wait to post these pictures, y'all. They're so cute. But yeah, look at them. Just in here watching SpongeBob or whatnot. Ugh. Don't touch me with them chips. I could sit right here, can't I? That's not a chair. I need some more. These are hard. These are hard. Gang. Is that what you just said? Did you say gang too? Scream.
Are these good?
Those are so ugly.
No, they're not.
They really are.
What's wrong? They say that these are ugly.
I'm gonna try this.
Daddy, are these ugly?
Oh, y'all like those right there?
Yeah.
I don't like these.
I do.
No, I'm not getting in.
I got them too. You look weird because I got the thing on.
Ain't these what we just seen at the other one?
Mama, can't.
Y'all trying to get what I get.
Yeah, trying to be like you. Hey, I think this is hard. Put your. Look, me and my sister got home. Look, why we got on the same exact thing though? Hold on. Look at us. So corny. But I like these a lot. But I don't think. What they look like? They alright.
You guys in a rush?
Yes, sir.
Good deal.
They cute, ain't they? Yeah. I may get these. I'm not 100% sure yet. Yeah, y'all, I want these, but I don't know if I should get them. You ugly. I don't think. Cause these are super cute. Every time I pick up the camera, I just smile. Just stick my tongue out. But This is cute. How's the camera?
I was finna say that.
You say it's cute?
Yeah.
This is cute. No, it's not. It's girls. I hate girl clothes. They fit weird. So we're not getting it. I don't even like pink for real. And I got a pink sweatshirt already. Say something. I like this pink purse though. Look, she wants to dress like me.
No.
My brother did too. He had the same shoes too. Cole. He belongs to the street.
Girl pose ain't cute.
What?
Girl pose ain't cute.
A girl pose, never see you. Ow. Oh, you over here. Come with me, kind. Let me pull it up real quick. This is the person we're looking for. We and Steve Madden. Come on. You think they gonna have it? Can't even see. I don't think they got it, Mom. Okay.
Watch your strip playing.
These are so cute.
That's what Kelly got.
Yeah, okay. I'll be bringing her everywhere with me. Isn't this cute? This is the cutest Michael Kors bag I've seen. But I just bought that Century Play bag. I feel like it kind of get the same look. But it's a blue one. I would definitely do this one. This was cute. You wanna hold my camera? Second speed girl. Girl, this is 400. You're not even. Why are you moving? Stop. So I can see myself. It's saying 400. I'm not gonna get this. This is my bestest little sister. You're my only little sister. These are so cute too. I don't want to just touch everything. I got a pink. I got it on right now. That green is pretty.
So pretty.
I mean, you know, that ain't, these little ones ain't that bad of an idea for you. You don't put much in there.
Yeah. You can see. I'm gonna try to show the camera. It's like hard to do this stuff when I got all this stuff in my hand. Okay, y'all, look. Focus real quick. Focus. Okay, so we got this brown one or the black one. I know the brown will look better with my outfit, but I don't know if I want to get the black or the brown. I think I should get black because I don't have a black purse. But then y'all really don't wear black, so maybe I should get the brown. I don't know. I'm gonna get the brown, y'all. So I think I'm getting more wear out of the brown purse than a black one. Oh, just put some sauces on this plate so I can put it in mine. Look, y'all. Yes, sir. Thank you. I don't use gloves. Say I don't use gloves.
Alright, you need to turn corn and let it have
This is a big piece of meat, but it's stuck down. It don't focus on me.
What is the focusing on?
The background. Ew. Did you open all of the packs?
No, I got one more left. This one's a toy.
Yeah.
Tina going on
Cat-
Bray Wyatt.
Why they spell coffee with the A? I mean the K. And the A.
Oh, I got this
Cena.
one again. I got this one
What
again.
Mommy. What is that?
A just put on the table, to be honest.
Where's the trash at? Right there on the floor.
I put my trash in the bag.
I got
Oh.
Opalite.
Oh, 2, 3.
Don't play with me.
Eliminated.
Don't play. This one's way looser than this one was.
Okay, so first thing I got was a Dora Explorer backpack. That's cool.
Got me a purse.
It's Bray Wyatt versus Actually, this one's the best right now.
Wait, where are my other? Oh yeah, I got my crystals. I lost one of my amethysts.
This thing, we used to sleep in the bed this size.
Why does my camera keep not focusing? Okay, oh, I gotta take this necklace off. Okay, so anyways, I'm about to show y'all my purse. Thank y'all.
You welcome.
That's his front already.
So pretty.
Oh,
I'm trying to take this off.
1, 2. Oh, hits him in the face.
Look at all them toys they got when they did. Yeah, they put me on the couch.
Yeah, because he's a loser. He's a loser.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
I should bring up Barbie like.
Oh, shoot, everybody's back in.
Anyways.
What?
Ooh.
He said,
I'm playing. Don't play with that girl. She is not one of them.
No.
Yeah. We okay.
Down in here.
Yeah. We okay. It says Opalite is good for clearing the mind and reducing fatigue.
Fatigue.
Stop.
Fatigue. Stop. That means being tired.
And increasing energy.
That's probably what I need.
That's what I need. So this is what Opalite is for.
I have a problem with my energy.
I got a problem with my energy too, baby. I've been tired.
Oh, you brought your cardio?
Yeah. And my amethyst and my gold stone.
I'm running around with
Journey, boy.
at my table.
Anyways.
Ooh, American Dad song. I don't watch that.
Ooh, big.
On his iPad.
He just gotta figure out how to get the Wi-Fi.
I'm gonna make you.
Come on, WWE SmackDown.
Yeah.
This purse is so cute, y'all.
Make sure greens. No one wants to watch that dumb show. Shut up.
Y'all are so mean. Y'all are so mean. I could never. I don't even see how these are my siblings. I'm not mean at all.
Yes, you are.
It's kind of ugly with the strap.
And we gotta get you counting 4K.
I just want to see how will it. Why you didn't close this bag? I didn't even know this open.
You like Jeff Hardy or
This is extremely long. It's cute though. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna shorten it. You want to show the camera yours, mother? Want to show the camera your purse? Somebody texted me as they said, "Your mama is so pretty," and I was just sitting there. You can't see. Yes, sir.
John Cena.
The reason why you couldn't see it because it's John Cena.
Yeah, John Cena.
I like that.
Too.
I like this.
Yeah, I ain't got one.
Yeah, that's why I said that. Oh my gosh, my lips is so crazy. My mama's making me my food. Yes, sir. Let me make it pretty. This is what I ate last time. Yeah, cause that little waffle ain't gonna do nothing. So this is ugly. Why my face looks so unsymmetrical? Do not move your milk. Your little milk. Don't. I don't want it no more. Good. I'll beat you up real tough. Yeah, I just got 2 waffles, y'all, because I don't eat that other stuff. And I got it without syrup because I don't eat syrup. It's nasty. They waffles so far. The most biggest combo of all. What you say? The biggest combo of all. Look at all the waffles on my plate. Okay, it's crazy. I do not like eggs. What? Orange fat. Smelling like the thing of ugh. Why I haven't got no eyebrow on this side? You leave not so nice when you walk with the truth. I second guess if you the one, this one I doubt with clue. Envy Martin and Gina, but we ain't think about behind the scenes. The way I kill it, lose her voice when she trying to scream. We from the trenches, we moved on to the finer things. Now you don't went from H&M to a designer fiend. He was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club. Got you dancing in the middle of the club. I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling in this liquor in your cup. All you really want is love. Baby, all you really want is love. Only talk about this independent back in the
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not
I feel like on Gucci Mane in 2006. I just go right back in the bathroom.
You need to brush your teeth. Is the toothpaste still over there?
Yep.
Probably should brush your teeth before you put your shirt on.
Well, today's a new day.
cute. Even though we ain't gonna be able to see your shirt.
Exactly.
Did you put some lotion on, Kanye? Oh, yeah.
We're going to find the ice machine.
The ice machine. Here, check.
What's an ice machine?
Go ahead and put the
Turn the camera around. Flip the thing so you can see me. Push it down. Yes, sir. Cameraman. Is it cold?
no.
This is how you walk.
Oh,
Show the feet. Show the feet. Show the feet.
okay.
Don't follow me. Follow me. Come on, let me see. Turn around. Heck, regular girl. Gotta hold it up like this. I'm gonna teach you how to vlog because you're gonna be vlogging. I like it.
At the bottom, say what?
Make sure I like it. Am I in the middle?
Yeah.
Start taking pictures.
I ain't too proud to beg, so what's been said has been said. Finally got you out my bed, but I
Oh, this is some good lighting.
Knock out, girl.
I'm not down. Because they really down.
I'm moving over.
Well, nah, he parked, and I thought he was coming up.
You like these? These alright, I don't know.
They're giving, I guess.
That's all that is. I want them 12s. Where my daddy at?
Over there.
Because of materials.
Yeah, the material and kind of the colors. Hey, ain't nothing in here. I don't care where I could have. We are in, what's this called? Soul World. Look at the shoes, y'all. These people just got all in the ground. Ain't much kids, because y'all know I wear a 3.
I wear a 1. Okay, guys.
That's funny.
Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be looking for something.
Girl, shut up.
Julie, you can stay right there.
It ain't got much.
That's all I use.
These are used.
Look,
Oh, you can tell on that one.
Look at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. They did it. Learn how to get paid. Bit stage. Long way from session 8. Who's giving celebrity? Who?
Oh, okay.
Got a question. Got a question. Wanna hold it?
Yeah.
You can't. Look at all this up here in your hand.
I'm just giving the star and then
But yeah, y'all. Stop. You have all that stuff in your hand. You're not gonna drop my camera. Anyways, y'all. We out here at these little outlets. We're at these little outlets. We were just at the Mall of Georgia, but it wasn't much there, to be honest. Look at me. I'm giving celebrity.
I had to ask myself what else would I
First off, his name is Mosey. These are so cute. Come on. These are 70.
you wanna go up there?
I really like these. But again, it's like, what am I gonna wear with it? I just really like these type of Uggs. Oh, I want. They're so little. No, those are littler. Those are littler. Look how little these is. My babies. My feet don't grow. I've been in a 3 cents, 5th grade. Don't come over here and hit me. Look at them. Got on camera. Boy, I wish you would. Hey. These ones are cute. I just like the back. They got green. These ones are cute. I just really like the back. Oh, they got it in green. This hard. I would get these. These real hard. What you? Are they alls over here? Oh, this is women's, so I definitely can't fit this. Look at them. These are so cute. Can I get a refill?
What? We need refills.
Can I get a refill? Judah got 3 straws up. No, he got 4 straws. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with you? Thank you.
Thirsty? She already knew. Thank you. You're welcome, babe.
Judah big thirsty. He big thirsty. There y'all. Looking food already ate and I forgot to take a picture. Huh? She got that. Judah got that. City food. Good morning. We gonna leave today. I ain't even gonna put on my clothes I was gonna put on today. I'm just gonna put on these sweatpants. I already got to fit on sweatpants and this shirt. It's okay. We just going straight home. It's just nothing. This is what I'm eating. Oh, dang, all them mashed potatoes. Oh Lord. This microwave is huge, y'all. Let's put it on like 40. Yes, sir. I need. Let's start with. I need a knife. Do they not got? Ow! Don't tell me I'm gonna have to bite this steak. What's in here? You better have a big old knife in here. Oh. I'm recording on my phone, y'all, because I left my camera in the car. But look what we just found. The 65? About to get these. Go slide. I really got nowhere to sit this. Kyle, you like these dunks?
You like that?
No.
Oh, well, I'm gonna get them. These is hard.
Okay. Okay, I'll go get some clean shoes.
Where the workers at?
I'll make that finish it.
I really wish they had like different colors. What if they help us today? Yeah, y'all, I'm recording on my phone. It's kind of awkward, look. This is the fit. I changed it to a jacket instead. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all forget these. They kind of a little. What? Oh yeah, this hard. My back camera fine. Alright, hey y'all, so we back home. I'm about to just give y'all a little haul on stuff I got. I didn't get much, like, Well, I did get a good amount of stuff, and I do thank my parents because they don't have to do this, but they always come through, most definitely. So I'm gonna just start with like the little stuff I got. So I got these, well, not this bracelet, I've been had this one, but I got 2 new crystal bracelets. I got opalite and red jasper. I got opalite because, let me hope I'm saying this right, because people be coming for me because I can't read for real. It says opalite is good for clearing the mind and reducing
Fatigue.
Stop! Because at first I didn't know what it was for. Like, normally when I go in there for a specific crystal, and then I end up getting something different. So I actually wanted Pride, yeah, it's green. I wanted that one, but I seen this one and I was like, oh, this is pretty. And I looked it up, and this one's for really like, not, what's the word? Opalite is for motivation, basically. Like, so like if I'm laying down, get up, because I lay down all the time. Like, it just builds up energy and stuff. And then my red jasper is for like, basically like being positive, and it helps with anger and stuff. Because y'all know, well, I don't know, but baby, I be getting a little feisty. Yeah, so I just got them 2 crystal bracelets. Next I'm gonna show y'all the purse I got. So I actually showed y'all this already. Well, I showed y'all most of this stuff already, but I'm just gonna show it again just because I want to. But I got this purse from Michael Kors. It's just brown, and it got the little tag right there, and it's real cute. It kind of, can y'all see my Century playback right there? It looks like that, but it's just brown. Yes, it's so cute. This is only $100 too. So next I'm gonna show y'all the shoes. This is what I got today. I just got some Dunks. This is my first pair of Dunks, and I didn't even think I was gonna find these. Like, I didn't even have a shoe in mind to get. I just knew I wanted some shoes. Like, I'm a sneakerhead, like, for real, y'all. But I just got these. These is like, the color is like a rosy type color. I don't really know how you would say it, but they're cute for show, y'all. Like, don't play with it. I need to find some little outfits to go with these, and y'all know when I do, I'm gonna pop out. Hello? What was I talking about? Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the stuff I got. So I got 3 pair of leggings and 3 pair of sweatpants. So I'm gonna show these real quick. Oh my gosh, I'm so out of breath. Okay, so I got these gray leggings. These are from Aeropostale, and I really do like these. Like, I did not think these was gonna go all the way down. And so I did not think these was gonna go all the way down and like not be too high-waisted, but they are. So I got some gray ones, and then I got these navy blue ones, which I didn't try these on because they're the same exact ones. And then I got these black ones, which these ones fit really the same, but I don't even gotta cuff these or nothing. Like, I really do like these, and I can actually wear these out. So yeah, I got them 3, and then I got 3 pairs of sweatpants from Old Navy. I got this green because this green's so fire. I need some scissors to cut this. Anyways, I got this green because it's so fire. Do this go? Oh, I could wear these together. It's not really the same green, but I can definitely wear them together. But I got these green ones, and I didn't even know I had got these, but I got the dark gray, and then I got these blue ones. But these blue ones are actually like different from these 2. So I'm gonna like stand up and show y'all, which I showed y'all in the store. But y'all see? Ow. Period. Oh yeah, and these ones got zip up pockets and stuff, so I like these ones a lot. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tap the bell. You know all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Love letters. Gotta make me love letters.